guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have this big old box right here by Sweetwater Decor. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so I have this large 10-inch box. Like, this thing is huge. This company here, I actually got turned on to from my good friend Rena over at Boxes and Deals. For my birthday, like a month or two ago now, she sent me an order from them with some candles and an air freshener. And the candles and the air freshener smelled so good. I really loved the candles, and I'm like, I'm a candle hoe. Like, I love me some candles. I love good fragrance. I love things to smell good. I'm all about that. So I am so thrilled with the ones that she got me for my birthday. One of them I don't even want to burn because it smells so good. But she was telling me that she got a mystery box, and I was like, mystery? That's all you had to say was that word. All you had to say is mystery. And I'm like, huh, what? Like I have bionic ears at that point. I want to know all about it. I'm like, wait, what's a mystery? I love a mystery. So she said they had like some different mystery boxes. She got one too, which I will link below in the description box if you want to see another variation. I believe she got the smaller main mystery box or whichever, because I have two different boxes in here. But I will link her video down below if you would like to check out what she got, because they're all a mystery, so they're always going to be different. So you can see what she got versus what I got, and then you can see the difference between the two sizes from like the main one. There is also like one that was called something about, it doesn't say on my packing slip, it just says candle small box and mystery box large, but it was like imperfections or something. I forgot how they called it, but it's called something to basically say like they're imperfect but they're a mystery. So I wanted to grab one of those because I mean, I don't care what it looks like, I just love the smells. So let's go ahead and dive in. The main one is a large size. There was different sizes. I got the large size for $99.99 because Rena, I think, got the medium or small, and it looked amazing. So I'm like, all right, I blamed her for this purchase. Let me just tell you, because that was $99.99. And then the small mystery candle box that I bought as well was $44.99. So my total here shows I paid $144.98. So I'm gonna hope that I have a good box like she does, but that's the point of a mystery. You never know what you're gonna get. Even though I've had some really bad mystery things in the past, I'm still all for seeing what's inside a mystery box. If you see this in my ear, don't pay no mind to that. I'm listening to my chickens in their coop because yeah, I got one that's being a bully again, so I have to just make sure everybody is all copacetic and everybody's doing fine out there. So when we open up this monstrosity of a box, which I'm definitely going to be saving this, I always save packing materials. If I'm shipping something out, giveaways, that kind of thing, it always comes in handy. So now this is what it looks like. It's packaged very well with like the shredded even cardboard around it. And this one's labeled, oh, it smells so good. This one's labeled small candle. And then down there should be the other large box. So let me get this off my table so I can get the other box out of it. Okay, so I'm gonna go with the small candle box first, just so I can get this out of the way, and then we can go through this large and in charge mystery box. It's $100. Okay, so again, this is the small candle box. $44.99 is what I paid. You can even just do a one single mystery candle as well, so it's less money than buying their regular candles. But their candles that I've tried, those two so far that I got for a gift, smell absolutely amazing. So I'm so excited to see and to smell others. So we open this one up. Again, this is the small size, and it looks like there is 4 candles down inside. So the first one right on top says hot cocoa and peppermint. Peppermint, cocoa, balsamic, and vanilla. That sounds absolutely amazing and perfect time of year. So, oh my gosh, I do smell hot chocolate and peppermint. Oh my goodness. It's a 1 wick down inside. Oh, it smells so good. Okay, so there's number 1, already starting off amazing. Number 2, we have this pumpkin spice. This is pumpkin, clove, cinnamon, and vanilla. So here's that. It's still a good season for this one as well because we're just now into December. Ooh, that smells good. I'm gonna have to burn this one now because I'm totally like, I'm all about the peppermint mocha right now. No more pumpkin since we're in December, but that smells amazing. So that's great. Then we have one that says you're engaged. I'm not engaged. I don't know anybody who's engaged. So I guess I can just turn that one like that and just burn it for me. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This smells the best so far. It is super, super strong. I don't even know what that smells like. And it just says soy wax blend made in the USA. This one doesn't have like the scent notes. It just says you're engaged. I'll be engaged to you. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. I wish I knew what that smelled like. It just smells so good. I'm definitely going to burn this one. I don't care what that says right there.
And I just wanted to show you that the label came off super easy. Like there's no sticker residue or anything like that. So now I don't even have to see it.
And then we have one that says happy birthday. The imperfection on this one might be that this label has a little wrinkle right there, but this side is perfectly fine. So it says happy birthday number 5, Sweetwater Decor. It doesn't have no notes or anything on this one either. That one does smell good, but that's completely different than what I was just smelling. This one's going more towards like a, it's gonna sound weird, but this is the first thing that came to my head, like an eggnog kind of smell. I'm not sure. It smells really good, but this one here, I might just save and actually gift it to somebody on their birthday. Maybe do like a nice little lighter or like that little set where you can trim and cut the little wick and everything, and maybe like a mug or some wine or something. That would be a cute little gift basket. So I think I'll save this to go as a gift for somebody on their birthday. But that does smell really, really good. So that is all 4 from the mystery candle box. So now let's go ahead and go for the large mystery box by $99.99 box right here. Let's get her opened. So right on top is a lot of the shredded cardboard. So let me just remove that and toss it into that other box. A sneak peek to what's inside of the box. Okay. I don't want to hit anything. Let me take all these products out so I can get this big box off my desk. Okay, so since we just saw an all candle box, let's go ahead and look at everything that I would assume is not a candle. And then I would assume down in here is going to be, yes, down inside of here is going to be some candles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 different ones down in here. So we'll save that. Let me just start with these products. So this one here says illuminate everyday pumpkin spice, pumpkin, cloves, cinnamon, and vanilla. It's an amber reed diffuser. Ooh, I love a good reed diffuser. So here is pumpkin spice. It's in a glass jar. And then you have your sticks. So you just remove this lid, put your sticks in, and there is that. Let me smell this though. It has a little topper on there. Let me take that off. It's not too strong. I'm getting a light hint of the pumpkin spice, so that'll be nice. I'm gonna set this in my bathroom. And I got a little stuff on me. Yeah, it's nice. It's not very strong. Like the candles are really strong. This one to me doesn't smell really strong, but it does smell really nice. So there's that, the reed diffuser, which again, I will gladly put that in my bathroom. I love a good reed diffuser. Okay, so down inside of this box, we have a mug. And it says warm and cozy. It's a tin style like mug. I'm not too fond of that. I don't really care for like the gold rim. Plus, literally, I have way too many cups, mugs, wine glasses. Like if I get one more cup or mug or anything, one more drinking ware, I have to get rid of something else so it can fit. And right now I've already gotten rid of everything that I was willing to let go of. So I don't want to get rid of anything else. So I will save this for a Christmas gift for somebody else. But that is nice. It's a nice metal, warm and cozy mug. Then here is looks like a wine tumbler. Oh, and it says, OMG, you're engaged, and it's all gold. Again, I don't know anybody who's engaged. See, the candle, I don't mind it saying because you can turn it around, but on an actual mug, like, I kind of feel like that's a little more personal because it's for a specific occasion. So I really don't agree that this is in a mystery box, but again, it's a mystery box, but it says, OMG, you're engaged. So I guess if I ever find anybody who's engaged, but I never give anybody a gift for them being engaged. I give them a gift if I go to the wedding. But there you go. We have a, oh my gosh, you're engaged wine tumbler that I don't know what I'll do with. Next we have, let's see what's in here. Oh, we have another mug. Okay, let's see what this one says. Oh, this one is super cute. It says just pumpkin spice. And then it has like this like different texture down here on the bottom. That one is super, super cute. But again, I don't want to get rid of anything to put something in. So I can't keep this. So what I think I'm going to do is like give this to like a couple. So be like a his and hers. They both get a mug and maybe put like some hot chocolate or something like that in a gift basket for both of them. I think that's what I'm going to do with these. This one again is super, super cute. I wish I had room. We need a bigger house. We need to move and get our bigger house already. Like, can we win the lotto so we can move? Like, I really want to move, but I really don't have the money to do it. So, you know. Anyway, there is that one. And again, I think that one is super, super cute. I really, really like that mug right there. Then we have something that's taped up in this box. Oh, so this is a candle. Oh my gosh, this one matches that that pumpkin spice. It says milled cider, but it's like a sticker. It looks like you can probably just take that sticker right off. Yeah, you can just take that sticker right off, and then it would just, you wouldn't even have nothing. It would just be like this. That is so pretty. Oh, and it smells so good. It just says milled cider. Oh, that smells so good. That smells so good. One wick, but that's like that same, like I said, that's like the mug, the same little design. That's like the mug. That is super pretty. And that smells so good. So there is the candle. Now it looks like we have, it's a tea towel. It says sugar cookies tea towel, and it's like the ingredients to make sugar cookies. How cute is that? So you have a tea towel with the directions to make the sugar cookies. Oh my gosh, that is adorable. I might have to just try to make some sugar cookies now. That is so cute. So there's a tea towel, and then it looks like we have maybe another towel. Let's see, what is this? No. This is not a towel. I don't know what this would be, but maybe like to put like on a table or something. Huh. I'm not sure, but there's that. I could probably put this on my counter, like where I put a runner all the time. It's a lot wider than my normal runners though, but I don't know. Or maybe you can put it like on a shelf and have it like kind of hang over. I don't know what this one is for, but it's definitely not a towel. But here's this guy right here, and it's just white with the black color. So I like that it's universal to, you know, so the colors can go in anything. Okay, so that is everything that's not those candles. So then what did I say? There's 5 in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then there's that other one. So there's 6 candles in this one, which I'm all for candles. I'm all for candles. First up we have is cinnamon rolls. And let's smell you. I'm not really smelling a cinnamon roll. I'm mainly smelling like the little red hots, like the, what are they called? The little red hot candies that you can get in the box. That's what that smells like to me. I'm not picking up a cinnamon roll, but at least I am getting some cinnamon in there. So there's candle 1. Candle 2 says holiday cheer, citrus, cloves, ockmoss, and pine cones. What in the world was I saying? Oh, that definitely smells Christmassy. It smells definitely like a tree almost. Like, oh, that smells so good. Okay, so there's that. Then we have Best Mom Ever. I'm a dog mom. Again, I could turn this around or I can mail this to my mom and give it to my mom because she is the best mom to me. Oh, that smells so good. It doesn't say what it is, but this one kind of reminds me of like coastal, kind of like, I don't know. It has a nice light fragrance and it just smells really good. But this one says Best Mom Ever, so I can either give it to my mom or I can turn it around and use it as a candle. As a candle, it is a candle, but when you don't see the label, oh my goodness. Now we have pumpkin spice. Didn't I get pumpkin spice in the other one? I believe I did. Yes, so I have 2 pumpkin spice, so maybe I'll gift one. It's kind of not the occasion at Christmas for pumpkin spice, but that does smell good. And then the last one in here says relaxation, and it's that same color. This smells kind of like a zen. It says peppermint. I was smelling a peppermint. Peppermint, cedar, clove, and eucalyptus. It does smell like nice and relaxing, like nice and zen. Just, ooh. Yes, so that is all of the candles then that came in this box. So, so in this large mystery box, we have 6 candles, we have 2 mugs, 1 wine tumbler, a tea towel, a questionable, I don't know what that is, but something that looks kind of like maybe a runner or something to put on a table. And then you have the reed diffuser. All right, you guys, so now that is everything for the 2 different mystery boxes that I got from this company. Again, I was turned on to this company by Rena. I'm so thankful because I love good smelling products. I just love things like this, and they have a lot of cool stuff on their website. I will link them down below. You can see all of the individual items, or you can see if the mystery boxes are still available. If you want to grab one, check out all the different sizes and all of that. Again, it will all be listed down below for you. So definitely let me know, what did you like here? What would be your favorite item if you got the large mystery box? I just don't agree with the being engaged on the mug. That's the only thing. Again, I don't mind it on the candle because you can turn that around. You don't need to see the label, which is perfectly fine. But an actual drinking glass that says you're engaged, I feel should not be in here, but it is, you know, that's what we get with the mystery. But definitely let me know your thoughts down below in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. If you would like to see other companies, discount codes, learn more about me or my animals, you can visit my website at any given time, which is SheCrafty.com. So now that is everything that I have to say and show for this particular video. Again, comment down below and let me know. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.